Today we are at the Hancock Recreation Area Campground, and we're at Site 24. It's conveniently located directly next to the campground host at 23. So our site has electric and water. It's 30 and 20 amp electric, and it's a back-end site. You can see it's kind of on an angle here, so I'll come walk around. Our Jeep is parked in front. And it's a nice size site. It's pretty large. You could fit a Class A here easily. We've got some shade over here on this side where our picnic table and our fire ring is located. And then you can see there's a site down there, but there's a nice separation. These are very big spots and somewhat secluded, or I guess private. Then if you come around and look at our site, there is quite a bit of room between our camper and our fire ring area. It is directly in the sun, however the temperature here is like 74 degrees, so that's not really a big deal. You can see in the distance that picnic table over there, that is another site as well, but still you're not terribly on top of each other. There's a lot of room here, and it's just a really great site. The campground itself is beautiful. I'll obviously be posting more pictures and video of the tour. But yeah, this is our site. This is the gatehouse at the beginning of the park, and then you can purchase ice and firewood from it, and firewood's just $5. This is the women's bathroom at the Hancock Recreation Campground, and it's cleaned during the day, just kind of ongoing. And you come in, there are 4 toilets for stalls, and you can see they're pretty clean. And then you've got 4 sinks, a hand dryer, and then there are 3 shower stalls. If you go in, there's a little bench, and then the shower. Back out here. And you can see there's a little bit of natural light up top, plus you have the fluorescent lights. And in the winter or the colder days, there is a heater there on the wall. So this is what they call the public service room, but it has the laundry machines in it. There's a washer and a dryer. It's $1 for the washer, $1.50 for the dryer, and then there's a sink in here with hot and cold water, and actually a random toilet, so that's in here too. And here we are dumping at the Hancock Recreation Area Campground, and if you are not a camper here, you can still dump for just a $3 fee. This is the boat launch area, and you can also see they have pet bags to clean up after your pet. And we'll walk around here. There's a ramp, and then a small dock. And then behind me are actually more sites, so it's 49, 50, 51, it looks like. And you can see they're kind of in the parking lot here, but they do have an excellent view of the water. If you feel like picnicking on the water, there is a picnic bench near the boat launch under this tree. Just before the boat launch, kind of near like Site 58, there is a little trail, and it goes to the public beach, to Hancock Beach, where there's swimming, there's an ice cream stand, there's boat rentals, and also restrooms. Like so many places we've encountered in both Houghton and Hancock, dogs are not allowed. And now I'm at Hancock Beach. It is like 8:30 in the morning, so no one's really here yet. It's very calm and peaceful, but there's a little play area all the way kind of to my left. Then there's the swimming area right here, including a little platform. And then there is a dock that goes out over the water, and then you can rent boats over here. This is Site 53, and if you're looking for a site that's on the water, this would be your site. There's a tiny peninsula here, and you are surrounded by water. Site 27 here is a pull-through, as is this site, which is either 26 or 28, I don't know. But there are some pull-throughs at this park. I'm at tent site 12, and you can park right here, but then since these are tent-only sites, you kind of walk in just a little bit, and you can see there's a couple boulders, and now you're in the woods. And the site is a little bit back in here, and you've got a picnic table and a fire ring, and you're a little secluded from other campers. I mean, you do have a tent right over there as well, but I love these sites. They're just so great if you have, you know, a couple friends that just want to hang out and tent camp. And there's some more up there too. And then you've got this little exit path out of your site over here.